here we are talking about Christmas. Today we are discussing Christmas and what Christmas is all about. And one thing you must not forget to do on Christmas. There's one thing every living person must not forget to do on Christmas. What is it? And you're thinking? Okay, you're thinking, you're asking yourself, what could that be? You're asking yourself, what could that be? What is it? What is it? Huh? Okay, let me not really disturb you so much because I know your imaginations will be going so wide. But I'm going to tell you something right now you need to do on Christmas. And that is the only thing you need to do on Christmas that will make you happy and make your Creator in heaven happy. That is, you must not forget to visit the less privileged. Yes. Christmas is a time of love. It's a time of showing love. It's a time you show the people you know that you love them. It's a time you tell them that you love them. It's a time you visit the less privileged, the motherless homes. It's a time you move around with gifts. Anything you can lay your hands on. Move to the motherless babies' homes, move to the less privileged, move to anywhere you think you can move to, but just that show love to people. You know, because this time is a wonderful time that everybody will be expecting something from you, you know. So if you have anything with you, if you, it's not all about drinking, it's not all about wasting your time in the restaurants, it's not all about wasting your resources anywhere you think that it doesn't really matter. But to you, maybe it does matter for now, but it doesn't really matter because I will tell you that a soul you touch today has a particular impact you are making in that particular life, you know. So what I'm telling you is that you must not forget to visit, to reach out to people, visit the less privileged, visit the motherless homes, visit anywhere you can visit just to make sure you get them happy, you know. Make them to feel the season. Make them to feel that they are with you, that you are with them. They are really important. Those neglected people in the village, in the society, those are the poor fellows. Anybody you think you are better. Actually, do you know the truth? It is not easy to be alive today, but you are alive today. Some people are in the hospital. Some people died yesterday, but you are alive to celebrate Christmas. So use that opportunity to reach out to people you can. Make sure you make them happy. Make sure you touch their lives. Make sure you are really doing, you do something reasonable to them. And they will never forget it. They will keep praying for you and making sure that God keep blessing you because you are really blessing them. They'll keep on praying for you. For you to have Jenny message to come from wherever you go to wherever you are right now. You think it's easy? It's not easy, but it's just by the grace of God. So reach out to people you can reach out to. Tell them Merry Christmas and make them happy. Thank you very much and see you on our next edition. If what I said is okay, if you like it so much, comment on our channel and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next edition. Thank you very much. Remember, my name is Chidi Ikenna Amobi. Bye.